Question 15 is 4 marks. Can we do it in 15 seconds? Let's try. The first part says find angle DOB. DOB is this angle. This is a central angle. It's a double of this, so it's 96. It's 48 times 2. It's 96. Finished. They told you to give a reason. You will say because of the central angle theorem. Now work out the size of angle BCD. BCD. So it's this angle. The cyclic quadrilateral theorem says the opposite angles are adding up to 180. So if this is 48, this is 180 minus 48. Just plug this in your calculator, and that's the answer. I think it's 132. If they say give a reason, the reason is the cyclic quadrilateral theorem, and that's your 4 mark. Was this easy?